How can so many tigers come in that island? What is the origin of the tigers? Whether they are the inhabitants of the island or they are being bought from somewhere else. As informed by Panda, we have seen the tigers, and according to him, those tigers are not from India. They are not Royal Bengal tigers. They are maybe from Siberia. They are big, really, really big. My friend, first of all, kindly welcome my friend, philosopher, and guide, Dr. Gupta, in the stage. The audience was shocked to hear the announcement from Professor. Dr. Gupta, the man behind all the tortures that they have endured during the captivity at the island. According to Professor, he was behind all the illegal activities that had taken place during and before the search of blue Rafflesia has been initiated. With this, I stopped, and in the next episode, probably this story will be finished. You all will understood who this Dr. Gupta actually is and how these mysteries were solved by Professor Bhattacharya. So if you want to know the mysteries, oh sorry, not the mysteries, but the facts behind the mysteries, then kindly tune in for the next episode of The Blue Rafflesia, which probably is the last episode of this series. So, thank you for your patience, and if you like the story, kindly like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I Tell Difficulty. Thank you, and goodbye, and namaste for today.